Hey guys, it's Tony. I know a lot of you guys are really excited about PLTR and their earnings coming up, right? As well as the lockup period expiring this week. Just letting you guys know that I did see the option flow, the volume, the money volume flow for PLTR for puts, and it's super crazy insane. It's way bigger than calls for options expiring this week. So tread very carefully on Palantir because it's one of the first times that I've actually seen, a big-ish company have more money flow volume on puts than for calls, especially for I think their earnings are this week, right? Available tomorrow, yeah. So I definitely it's one of the first times from like the big tech companies that I've seen their options volume be higher on the put side as opposed to the calls. If you guys want to play the opposite, whatever, it's fine, right? I'm just letting you guys know that as of right now, I think the biggest position that I saw was a couple million on the put side as opposed to the calls. I think there was a lot more on the put side. So just letting you know, keep it open. Keep in mind that, big money, or there's a lot of money, a lot of volume flow on the put side expiring this week. So I'll definitely update you guys on PLTR, but it seems like, big money is playing that, that PLTR doesn't necessarily, maybe not beat earnings, and the lockup period, people start selling off. So, I don't know. I'll let you guys know.